Sanibonani, my name is Sitting and channel. If you are already a regular T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, today I'm starting my intro vlog inside the fitting room. Wow, hectic. It's too much. It's very hectic. The festive season, too much for me guys. It's too much. And ngihlezi ngitatazela guys, angikwazanga uqala intro ekhaya nje mekuningi ngisho namanje ngikhathela ngikususa baningi abantu emoli. And if you know me, I hate indaba nabantu abaningi yabo la. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he thinks so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you really care, 'cause I can't give it all if you won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas Day, but I knew you'd say I won't, but then it wasn't by my side. No, I need someone to hold, be my fire in the cold, but it's hard to tell if this is just a fling or if it's true love that he thinks love. So next Christmas I'm not all alone, but Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. So guys, ngizela emoli ngizocosha guys. Ngizocosha into za Christmas. Ngizothenga nje guys la ka Mr Price na ka fashion nje ngizothenga isikhwama engisithandayo isikhwama nenye ingubo
Ngizocosha ukhisimusi. Just joking, guys. Kodwa ngizocosha vele. And then ngibuka movie, and then ngishare nisobona guys, nizobona nje i-vlog. Subscribe,
Won't be here next year.
Here comes Santa Claus, right?
They don't actually come together unless we go through rivers and fires. We go through testing and rejection. But Umangaba said, "Anunkulunkulu enza is sense of what He has actually called us for, because we don't lose our worship, even if we are going through the deepest, darkest valley. But we do not lose our worship, Bazalwane. Hallelujah. When you read the book of Psalms, chapter 29. Uthi mdumiseni uJehova ninamadodana akhe. Bese kuthi mudumiseni nisamvunulweni yobungcwele. Alibonge igama lika Jesu. Hallelujah. Sekuvaliwe. Sikhonza uNkulunkulu ofika lwandle olubomvu alivule. Sikhonza uNkulunkulu ofika kunomlilo acishe. Siphume emlilweni ungasihangulanga. Blessed be the name of Jesus.
Iyakhohleka, ngiyakhohlwa.
Are you having fun?
Angizwa?
Balekile.
Ibalulekile content.
TikTok.
Turn left onto Stormont
I didn't
7
find
Street.
Ngifaka YouTube man.
YouTube. Hey. Umsebenzi kanjani?
Ufana nemali, ukuthi uyaholela. Ukusebenza.
Yabo uma ufika manifika futhi nakhona lapha.
Siyavlog.
Navlog.
Siyavloga sithatha iy'thombe sikwenza konke.
Iy'thombe content ya-Insta ya-TikTok.
Uma ulambile nje uhamba nathi kumele ufike urelax.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Brick Hill Road.
Ungasho
Shepstone
ukhayisana.
Turn left onto Brick Hill Road, Shepstone Street.
Senje ntambama.
Hawu.
Sebenza lapho.
Hey wena. Stupid.
Kumnandi uhamba nomuntu elenza into like because it doesn't feel weird.
100 meters, turn left.
Ushutha yonke into wena. Uzophila kumuphi umhlaba?
Ansasho ukuthi nangoba sesizokhokhela umfana 23 rand.
23 rand. Oh, sinangwa kumuphi umfana?
Uyilo.
Lenize eThekwini nje nifone. Akantshontsani.
Biza kahle.
Ama-price akhe. Moja.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Nongasixwayi.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and
Sundays are for lovers. Sundays are for lovers.
Suka ke mpilo. Woo! Woo!
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?